So now what we want to go ahead and do is set up our campaign and volume so that we can go ahead and start promoting our offer. So you would definitely need to add your affiliate network element first. So for Yep Ads with volume, what you're going to have to do is go to affiliate networks. And then you would select new affiliate network. And then once the templates load, you can select Yep Ads, and you can save Yep Ads as one of your affiliate network templates, and it'll automatically pass back and upload for you the appropriate tokens and the right parameter for your conversion tracking. So we're going to select it, we're going to hit next. And as you can see, you're all set up and good to go. So you would just need to hit save once you confirm that you want to use this tracking domain. Now I'm going to go ahead and do new campaign. We don't need a landing page because we're going to redirect and direct link the traffic to the affiliate network landing page. And offers we can actually set up directly from the campaign area, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So let's go to new campaign. Now where I'm going to redirect you to is where you would go if you were to choose offers element directly. So we're going to just go ahead and skip a few things. And I'm going to do a workspace. We're going to choose Zeropark for push traffic. All right, and this particular campaign is going to be for Ireland, okay? Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. So we're going to do Zeropark. All right, awesome. And then we're doing Ireland. All right, great. So we're direct linking. So now we need to go ahead and add our offer. Now I have to do this to get the menu to come up for me. So there's going to be a menu that's going to display once my internet catches up, and it's going to allow you to create a new offer. Because we have a lot of offers listed with, and it overshadows that link. So it's just best to provide an offer that it's not familiar with. All right, so now you can do iPhone CC file. And then the offer URL will go here. And then you need to append that. So it should be S2 equals click ID for that. And then you would just save your offer. So you need to make sure that your conversion tracking postback URL has been properly set up. So I would actually copy this. And we would go back into Yep. And I would put my post back here, and then I will replace that with the hashtag S2 to make sure that everything's good to go for my conversion tracking. All right, great. And so then pretty much we'll just save that, and now we have an offer. Next, we will save the campaign. All right, great. So now we have our campaign URL. So it's time to set this up in Zeropark. Sorry, our traffic source is Zeropark, and run some traffic to this campaign and show you guys how to set up your CC submit copy and creatives. All right. So your ad copy for your trial offers have to be a little different because you have to engage with the user and get them ready to make a purchase, essentially. This is going to require some more commitment. You're going to have to come off as an authority and establish trust, or at least not come off as a spam artist or someone who is inauthentic. So the best way to maneuver around that is to make sure that you're using icons. Now you can use the gift icons. You can definitely use the cell phone icons for these. I recommend that. You can also use the package icon since it's a purchase and they do have to get a package, so it's something that you can test. And then also emphasizing the main prize while keeping it simple. So I'm going to go over some copy just to let you know in the next step, but in step 3. But as far as saying things like, hey, you could win a iPhone for €1, or enter for a chance to win an iPhone for €1, or you're the winner of an iPhone for €1, or do you want an iPhone? So just keep it simple, because people pretty much probably, since you're targeting Android, don't even like iPhones to begin with. So you may have to be a little creative, but keep it simple. You'll find that sweet spot. And then I recommend actually limiting the use of emojis for CC submits, only because, well, only depending on your angle, right? I think you have to have some sort of etiquette. So if there's a sense of urgency, or if you are going to be able to come up with an angle where they have to do it like right now, and it's like a blowout deal, or once in a lifetime, or semi-annual, or something like that, then yeah, go for it. But otherwise, I say just limit it, just keep it cute. If you do use it, just try to keep it relevant to what you're saying in your headline. And then you always want to rotate your creatives, but I think more importantly with CC submits, you're going to have to also rotate your landing pages, because your opt-in rates and your conversion rates are going to be lower, because these are going to be double opt-ins, or you won't even get a conversion until a payment is processed. And let's say you have drop-off rates, and let's say someone doesn't have their payment in store and they go through with this and other things go in play, or banking issues or language issues and things that you haven't caught up with. So you definitely need to stay on top of that. Now, if you need landing pages and you want to still direct link like we have shown you, then all you need to do is just communicate with your affiliate network, see if what they can make happen, or just make your own. And always use your spy tools for inspiration, especially when it comes to e-commerce is a good ninja hack for this particular geo. Just kind of see what kind of angles people are gravitating towards when it comes to sales. Stock photos for CC submits and push campaigns are totally okay, because you have to advertise and feature the phone as the benefit, so go for it.